Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Love Day. I prefer to say Happy Love Day. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you are new here, I'm Sade Boo. Yes, so today is Valentine's Day, and I'm trying to see where to start. Because I got some things for Zion and Royalty. And I got something for my husband. I just got my husband a pair of sneakers that he had wanted. And then come to find out, he's saying it was a different color. But I know it was that color because from he pointed it out, I screenshotted it. That was the color. Anywho, so every year, a good friend of mine by the name of Sharon, big up yourself, Sharon. She makes these baskets. And it has like all types of goodies and treats and cups and yeah, all of those good things in it. And I got Royalty this to go with it. And I also got her this. So this stuff is from Five Below. I bought her some cute little earrings. You know, she's a girly girl. And I got her some Nutella and some lollipops. And for my son, you know, my son is very, listen, he's just particular and he's different. He has preference. These are his favorite chips. These are Zion's favorite chips in the world. He loves Sprite, so I got him a Sprite. I also got him this VR phone headset. He has an Oculus, but I figured he likes these kind of things, so I got him that. I got him some headphones. These kids go through headphones. He's had expensive headphones. They have broken. Now he has cheap. But they are good quality. I'm not going to lie. Can't sleep on the headphones from Five Below. I also got some of his favorite little treats here. Hershey's Kisses. Starburst, Mentos, and Skittles. And I got him a box of chocolate. Yeah, so that's what I got for him. Oh yeah, I said Greg, I got him some sneakers. So this morning I took Royalty to school. And speaking of that, I gotta talk to y'all about that because I know I'm not bugging. I went to Dunkin' Donuts and brought some donuts home. Loved it. Look at the heart. So cute. Yeah. And I stopped at my favorite place, Petite Choux, and got some Danishes. So this is one of them. I just took it out the box. I was about to eat it. Look how pretty. This is like a croissant. Then I got like a little cream cheese and that strawberry. Oh, so beautiful. Love it. And then in the box, this is like a banana and cream and a toasted croissant. This is guava and cream and a croissant also. And this is from my girl Sharon. This is a chocolate covered strawberry with Henny. I won't be eating that because I'm not a fan of Hennessy at all. So it is definitely for my husband. Even though I always get my kids something for Valentine's Day, I wanted to specially get them something this year. Just do a little something for them because their report cards was so good. Their report cards were so good. I'm so proud of them. I'm not shocked. I'm not surprised. And I don't even really speak on like how proud I really am of my children. Like my son was born 6 pounds. He was in the incubator for almost 3 months. He was born with hemorrhaging of the brain. My son is autistic, But he is now 16 and he is flourishing and he is bright and smart and intelligent. And I'm so freaking proud of him. And God has truly, 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 truly blessed him. Like, for real, for real. And my daughter, she is before her time. She's outstanding in her reading, her math. She's so smart. She's so intelligent. She's so inquisitive. She has questions. She always asks why. Why she don't understand something, she wants to know why. And I'm just so, as a mother, I'm just so proud of them. I'm proud to be their mom. I'm proud that God gave me the opportunity to carry those two children in this womb. Yeah, so I just wanted to, you know, do something a little special for them. Also, my husband gave me something, as he always does. I have been wanting a Yankee hat, a New York Yankee hat. And he got me one in black and a royal blue. So here goes the first one, like a royal blue. And here goes the second one. This one is black. So I thought this was navy blue, but I see it is black. So this one is not even. This one is 7 3/8. No, that don't even. This is too, it's too tight. It's too small. This one, I think I need, let me tell you something. I got a big head. Let me see. I wanted one because I never had a fitted before. This is really tight on my head right here. And this is a 7 5/8. So that means that my head is that big. I don't know. I don't really know how it goes in measurements, but I definitely need a bigger size. And he said that he threw out the freaking receipt. Let me call him.
Beautiful.
Greg, the blue hat, the royal blue hat doesn't fit my head at all.
Yeah?
It's too small.
Oh, so that means is a 7/8 fit your head then?
I think I need a size up even in the other one because it's hurting my forehead.
That.
The 7/8/5 or 7/5 or 7/5/8?
Yeah, that's like the biggest size of them.
Oh, shucks. That mean my head is that big?
Here, make the
Greg, I don't even have like a wig or nothing on. These are clip-ins. Like this, it can't get no flatter.
Sorry, but as I said, they're the biggest size.
It is?
Yeah, cause I think it's supposed to go up to 9. But me know the 7/8/5 would fit me.
Oh, okay. I think my head bigger than yours though. I got a big head.
So
okay.
7/8/5 would fit me. So no, you kind of have an understanding what would fit you and that fit it.
Okay. Okay. All right. Later. I'll just give the blue hat to my son. But yeah, so this, I'm supposed to be rocking this. I'm supposed to get something designed here. And I'm supposed to rock it with my royal blue. I got a royal blue fur. A long royal blue fur. Listen. Okay, I'm going to put a little clip right here. So you can see the fur that I'm talking about. And, okay, so I'm supposed to show you guys what my husband got me. So, I'm trying, why am I rushing? Okay, so for starters, you know what this? Oh. When you see this writing, who is it? Yeah, exactly. Kurt Geiger. It's Kurt Geiger. Ooh, he know I love gold. Anything gold detail, Ooh. Look, you guys. Look how cute. I love it. Yeah, I had to go get some light action coming so you can see how beautiful this bag is. Very, very pretty by Kurt Geiger. This is cute. I love it. Yeah, so I got that. Some Adidas sneakers. These are cute. I haven't even tried them on. Let me tell you something, y'all. I got a big foot. I wear an 11 in women. So, listen. I could fit a 10, but I like to have room, space. Yeah. So, other than that, I don't really have anything planned to do today. Royce's going to my mom's house, so I'm happy about that. Oh, this is so beautiful. So I'm gonna put together a lasagna basket. I should have been cut this light on. And I know every time y'all see me in a video, I'm eating. So, don't judge me, judge your mother. I had a long week, y'all. The week was so long. So when the kitties get home from school, I'm gonna show you guys their reaction. I know Royce's gonna really be like ecstatic because she love a gift. She is a girl who love a gift. That is her love language. And my son is gonna be like, "Oh, thank you, Mom." So I kind of know how they're gonna react already, but we shall see. Husband just went downstairs to go move Betsy. You know me and Betsy. I'm gonna take a little nap, get up, straighten up a little bit, have my coffee, have my breakfast already. And God. All right, so you guys stay tuned. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all. I volunteered to work the bake sale at my daughter's school. I got to the school this morning, and mind you, you can either volunteer for the morning time bake sale, meaning when the kids get right to school, they can order something before they go line up and go upstairs, or you could pick the afternoon, which is a little bit before they get dismissed. Now, I was under the assumption, mind you, it's like 22 degrees. I'm in New York City. It's cold. I was under the assumption that this bake sale was being held in the cafeteria. That's why I was going to look cute, because I plan on taking my coat off. When I got to the school this morning, the bake sale is outside. I see the other moms who volunteered, like, what would you like? Cold. Now, I'm not going to say this is a very diverse school. It's not very diverse, but it's diverse. But majority is Caucasian people. And this is their weather. That's just what it is. This is their weather. No, you got to get diverse when you decide you're going to have events outside and it's 22 degrees. Think about the brown people, because we want to be in the heat. It's too cold outside to be selling cookies and This morning I was like, oh hell no. So now walking back home, I was like, I'm dropping out. I was like, can't do it. I'm gonna be standing there in my coat selling cookies with a hat, scarf, bundled up. No. And this is the issue for me. I don't understand why they don't have these events inside the freaking cafeteria. Why? So, yeah, that was my dilemma this morning. But, yeah, y'all, and I ain't doing it. Sorry, can't do that. No, nope. Yep. Like my girl Jazzy say, yep. I can't do that. So, yeah. So I will see you guys when I pick Royalty up so we can get these kids' reactions. They asked, better be grateful. How did you like your basket?
Beautiful. I got
you like it?
Gummies. I'm gonna eat these, not for that.
Yeah, eat mini.
I want to eat these.
Let me ask Zion.
I got garlic gummies.
How did you like your basket?
That was really good. It was nice.
It was nice?
Mommy,
Yeah, it was
will you
nice. It was
open this
beautiful
for
of
me?
Thank you.
Mommy, I got Sonic gummies.
As y'all saw, my kid's response to the freaking baskets. I didn't catch them right away because when they came in, they just was like all over the place. But you see, I asked them what they thought. She came out and she was like, oh my God, I didn't know it was this. So I didn't really catch the initial reaction, but whatever. This is the next day. So I took it to my mom's house last night. I stayed home. We got some food and what did we watch? We were watching stand-up comedy. And yeah, then I went to bed. I was like really tired, and so that was it. So yeah, if you hear anything noise in the background, that is my son. He is on his Oculus. That virtual world is crazy. But I'm going to let you guys go now, and I hope everybody enjoyed their Valentine's Day. I hope everybody spread love. I hope everybody was being extra kind, extra sweet, and yeah. So I will see you guys in the next video. Love you.